To use Apple Pay at Kroger, you will need to have an iPhone or Apple Watch with the latest operating system and a debit or credit card added to your Apple Wallet. First, make sure you have the latest version of the operating system on your device. And then open the Wallet app to add your debit or credit card. You can add a card by tapping the plus sign in the top right corner of the screen. Then follow the prompts to enter your card information and verify it with your bank. Once you have added your card, you can use Apple Pay at Kroger by following these steps at checkout. When you are ready to pay, let the cashier know you want to use Apple Pay. Then look for the contactless payment terminal at the checkout lane. Hold your iPhone near the terminal with your finger on the Touch ID or double-click the side button. On your Apple Watch, you will see a check mark on the screen and hear a beep when the payment is processed. And then the cashier will let you know that your payment has been accepted. It is that easy to use Apple Pay at Kroger. And it is a fast and secure way to make payments. Before using Apple Pay, make sure to check with the store if they accept contactless payments. And also make sure your device is compatible with Apple Pay. Additionally, always keep your device and card information secure by using a passcode or fingerprint to lock your device. Using Apple Pay at Kroger is a convenient way to make payments without having to dig through your wallet or purse for your cards. It also helps to reduce the risk of card skimming or other types of fraud, as your actual card number is not shared with the merchant. Overall, using Apple Pay at Kroger is a simple and secure way to make payments, and it can help to make your shopping experience faster and more convenient.